Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drawer slide in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a power drill within 1/8 of an inch drill bit, a rivet gun within 1/8 of an inch rivet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer drawer slide. The freezer drawer slides allows the freezer door and the lower drawer to slide in and out. Also, equipped with a latch, it pulls the door in tight, preventing incomplete door closing. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out, rusting and breaking, making it difficult to open and to close the freezer door, allowing warm air inside. It causes the frost buildup inside around the door. Open the freezer door. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen up 4 screws that hold the freezer door. Lift the door out. Remove the bottom drawer. Open the 2 tabs and remove the drawer bracket. Push the connecting rod to the left inside the longer gear to free the opposite end and remove the rod. Push the right side slide in, out of the way. Place the trash can or the box under the rail and using the power drill with the 1/8 inch drill bit, drill the old rivet out. Now we can remove the drawer support bracket by lifting the front and release the rear end. Reach in and press the locking tab with the large flat blade screwdriver and pull out the old drawer slide. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry off the gear from the old slide. This is the old freezer drawer slide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new freezer drawer slide in. Push it back, allowing it to get locked, and pull out the slide. Make sure the slide is out all the way. Locate the 4 file down teeth and snap on the gear on the new drawer slide with the bottom cut tooth on the first notch of the support rail. Install the drawer support, first the rear end and then the front. Using the rivet gun and the 1/8 inch rivet, secure the support to the drawer slide. Install the drawer bracket. Make sure both tabs are locked. Pull both drawer slides out. Install the connecting rod, the left side into the longer gear first. Make sure both sides are out all the way or the door won't close evenly. Now it's a good time to check if there's any remaining ice or frost inside the freezer. Get rid of it. Install the drawer. Install the door on the 4 screws. Tighten the 4 screws using the 1/4" nut driver. Close the freezer door and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.